The holidays were amazing, family, friends, and all the joy. But now, let's face it, your home might look like a holiday hurricane hit. Sound familiar? Decorations, gifts, extra furniture. It's everywhere, and suddenly, you're out of space. We've all been there. Closet stuffed to the brim, decorations you only use once a year, and no idea where to put it all. But here's the good news, you don't have to live with the clutter. With Arcos self-storage, you can pack away what you don't need right now. Holiday decorations. Safe until next year. That extra furniture you borrowed for holiday guests. Tucked away but always accessible. Our storage solutions are simple, secure, and designed to make life easier, so you can focus on what matters, not the mess. At Arcos, we offer units in all sizes, so whether you need to store a few boxes or an entire room, we've got you covered. Our facility is clean, secure, and open when you need it. Plus, our team is always happy to help with advice or assistance. They'll make your storage experience smooth and stress-free. So why wait? Start the new year with a home that feels organized and clutter-free. Visit us at arcostorage.com to find the perfect storage solution for you. Let's make this year your most organized one yet.